Welcome to my channel Sunshine Bliss. So here we are at
On.
Walampong station. We have to take our tickets to Surat Thani from Bangkok. This is the main station of Bangkok. You can come here and book tickets to any of the places in Thailand you want to visit. This station is also known as Bangkok Railway Station, as this is the main station of Bangkok. Here you can see I'm booking tickets, and this lady at the reservation counter was very helpful. You can even come a day before the journey and book tickets here. We have done the same.
सूरत आनी एक लोअर ले लो ना ठीक है
This is interesting as they don't understand your pronunciation, so they ask you to fill your details like name, age, and system by yourself, and you can see and choose your seats by looking at their monitors. Thailand has train network all over the country. Trains are the best alternative to flights and buses for long journey. They go north to Chiang Mai and also south to Surat Thani. As compared to flight and buses, trains are more comfortable and reliable. If you're doing overnight journey, you are also saving on staying in a hotel and hefty.
ये चलो आप बना लो
It's the next day and we are on train. So all long distance trains originate from this Bangkok's Hualampong train station. Most trains have printed timetables in English too. And here you can travel by metro. The nearest metro station is Hualampong metro station.
हम बोल रहे थे कौन आया
This is the train, and you can see it's very clean and tidy everywhere. And there were many tourists in this train going to Surat Thani.
थर्टी टू हाँ 32 है
The tickets could be purchased from any station counters. It is completely hassle free and you can cancel your tickets at very reasonable charges. No passport is required while booking train tickets. Train tickets can also be purchased at travel agencies, which usually add a service charge to the ticket price. If you're making an advance reservation from outside the country, contact a licensed travel agent. We were able to get train tickets in one day advance from Bangkok to Surat Thani and from Surat Thani back to Bangkok. There are three classes, first, second, and third. We traveled in second class AC couch, and you can see they are comfortable and spacious. We felt safe as guards were always there at the gates. Interesting thing you can see is that when it is night time, attendants will come and make your bed with clean sheets and pillows, and in morning they will come again to wake you up at a specific time and will fold the seats. Train is not very long. It is a short train having just 4 to 5 compartments. We are traveling to Surat Thani from Bangkok, as from Surat Thani you can travel to many tourist places like Krabi, Phuket, Koh Samui and Koh Phangan. The trains was full of tourists and my experience was very good. We enjoyed the journey a lot. You can also book the return tickets from Surat Thani train station. It was an overnight journey from Bangkok to Surat Thani. It took around 10 to 12 hours.
अब बताइए हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस? आप क्या सोचते थे और ठीक है?
Very nice.
लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत स्पेशियस है।
उधर रखने का भी है, यहाँ सीट भी है।
बहुत स्पेशियस।
हाँ स्पेशियस।
लोअर बर्थ इज वेरी स्पेशियस। और ये शायद थोड़ा सा कॉस्टली भी है। और अपर बर्थ थोड़ा सा लेस स्पेशियस।
थोड़ा सा सही बात है।
टेक इट।
You can see the view as we are reaching our destination. It's so beautiful. I'm just waiting for my destination to come. Please do check out our other videos too and support us in our journey. Thanks for watching. See you again with new videos. Till then, bye.